how to fix Instagram login not working. In order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, you need to head over to your application Instagram. So even if you have entered your login credentials but you can't still log in into your account, it might be because you have entered some information incorrectly or you have forgotten the password. In that case, click on Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen process and recover it. Also check whether the username is correct or not. Once all of the credentials are correct, then tap on Login. You should be good to go. But if you're still having issue, then go back and move into any of the web browser. In the address bar, you have to search for Instagram login. Head over to the very first site login and wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to log in into your account on any of the website. Enter your login credential as in your username, email address or phone number and then the password. After that, tap on login. This will definitely log in your Instagram account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.